Episode 30, end of Season 1. Iran water stress as a structural signal. What you are seeing in this episode is not a headline. It is not a forecast. It is a convergence of signals. Across Iran, protests have continued to surface in specific locations over time. Not everywhere, not evenly, persistently, in particular regions. Those locations are publicly reported. They tell us where protest activity continues. They do not explain why. To understand context, we introduce a second signal, water stress. Water stress is not a single measurement. It is a composite condition. It is measured through long-term rainfall decline, reduced river flow, groundwater depletion, soil moisture loss, and increasing reliance on interbasin water transfers. These signals accumulate over years, not days. They are slow structural pressures. In Iran, water stress is not hypothetical. Major river systems have been diverted or diminished. Aquifers have been over-extracted. Agricultural regions have lost reliable access to surface water. Urban centers have become dependent on fragile supply systems. When these hydrological signals are mapped spatially, they do not distribute evenly. They concentrate. In this episode, 4 provinces are examined: Khuzestan, Isfahan, Sistan, and Balochistan, and Yazd. Each has experienced sustained water pressure over time. Each has also shown persistent protest activity across multiple reporting cycles. When these two independent layers are placed together, protest persistence and long-term water stress, their spatial overlap becomes visible. This overlap does not prove causation. It does not explain individual motives. It does not predict political outcomes. What it does establish is coexistence in space and time. That coexistence is observable. It is repeatable. And it can be bounded. For this episode, a publicly released polygon has been defined around these 4 provinces. Within that boundary, one moment of certainty is recorded. VLMC 3001 documents the spatial alignment between persistent protest locations and long-term water stress signals. Nothing beyond that alignment is claimed. The polygon is publicly released. It is free to access. It can be queried, examined, or challenged. This is the function of Veritas. We do not argue. We do not predict. We do not collapse complexity into certainty. We identify where signals align, and we stop exactly there.